My name is Mercedes Bustamante. I'm a professor at the Department of Ecology of the University of Brasília in Central Brazil. And my main area of expertise is ecosystem ecology. I research the impacts of land use changes in tropical biomes as the Amazon forest and the Brazilian Cerrado. I'm helping preparing some documents to guide the discussion and also trying to consolidate some of the scientific evidence that can help in the decision-making process. It's also important to highlight that we are really expecting that science can play a major role in terms of the decision that will be taken COP30 to avoid the major impacts of climate change. As a Brazilian and a Brazilian scientist, it's a huge responsibility to have the COP30 here in Brazil. It's a way to show other parts of the globe how we can improve the climate situation, climate change, loss of biodiversity, and inequalities. When we see the emissions profile from Brazil, most of our emissions are coming from the land use sector. This means deforestation and agriculture. So a huge challenge for Brazil is to change the situation and really try to avoid deforestation and increase the sustainability in our agricultural systems. So earth science plays a major role in terms of the monitoring of the land use changes in Brazil. Brazil is a pioneer in terms of the development of remote sensing systems to monitor forests. And we really expect that the Brazilian scientific community that improve all the systems along these years can help also to provide solutions in how we can reconcile conservation and sustainable use of the land. Most of Brazil is in the tropical belt, in this tropical region, and I think that one of the major successes of the Brazilian scientific community with international collaboration and also related to the Earth system science is trying to understand the role of tropical forests and other tropical ecosystems in the global carbon cycle and also in the global water cycle. I think that the information and data that were gathered in Brazil were quite important to develop this idea of the relevance of the maintenance of the forest and also the impacts of deforestation and forest degradation on the global carbon cycle.